Good morning, YouTube. I am the Moon Mama, and today is Wednesday. And Wednesday is a day governed by Mercury. And Mercury is currently over at 19 degrees of Aries, and the moon is also void in Aries just until noon. And we're going to have a new moon tonight in Taurus at 7:25 Pacific Standard Time. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so the Mercury is the planet that governs our perception. It governs the way we perceive reality. It governs the place, how the places inside of us meet the places on the outside of us, basically. Um, and Mercury mythologically is the planet that is the god that could go everywhere. It had the key to every space. If you're someone who follows the Matrix, Mercury is the key holder, and he had the key to everything. And because the mind can have every thought, the mind can perceive anything it absolutely is trained or capable of perceiving. And when you can hold a perception for an extended amount of time, you can create the reality that is in your mind and your outside experience. So that is how Mercury works. It's the simple Bible verse that says, as a man thinketh, so is he. So your thinking, your perception creates your reality. Mercury in Aries is about beginnings. It's about literally a new cycle. It's a new opportunity to bring to usher in a new perception, a new way of seeing yourself, a new way of being yourself. And it's an infantile energy, so it's a great time to be starting new projects, to be focusing on yourself and new things that you want to do and new ways you want to show up in the world for yourself. That can be something personal, right? Like maybe you want to, like for me, I'm working on changing the way I relate to others. And that is, I'm watching my behaviors, I'm watching the thoughts, I'm watching how I feel, and I'm doing the work to readjust that. The moon is currently in Aries as well, and it is void. So this is an opportunity to plant, to focus, to go internal and focus on how you want to be different, like how you are asking yourself to show up in a new way. And the new moon will be in Taurus this evening at 7:25 p.m. And so the Taurus energy is about our value. What do you value? How do you value yourself, and how does your value then drive your physical world experience? How do you create wealth in your life? How do you create abundance through how you feel about yourself? One of the things about Taurus that's tricky is that, do you use the material world to make you feel valuable? Or is it that what you create from inside of yourself has so much value that it brings you abundance? That's a very different thing. So it's like, I know I've had times in my life where I have felt like things will make me feel better about myself. And then I realized that that's what I was doing. And then I had to change that, because I realized that things don't actually make me feel better about myself. They just give me more responsibility and things to take care of. And so I value experiences, connections, more than I value things. And because things just create a level of burden for me that I don't value. And so today is a day with the new moon in Taurus that you want to create a goal or something for yourself, an intention around value. So for me, my intention is, it is my intention to do work that serves and helps people heal their lives and be healthier and more holistic and spiritually connected to themselves and others. And that's how I source my value, by doing that kind of work. So what's your intention for yourself? And it can be, with Taurus, it could be about your sensual nature. It could be about love. It could be about your relationship to your body, to the earth, or anything. Just know that it is Taurian in nature, and it is about creating value. So with that, if you'd like to join my new moon course, get a new moon reading, please reach out to me, or do coaching or anything like that. I'm available. I pray that you set an incredible intention for today, and that you have a beautiful day in this new moon energy in Taurus. And allow yourself to get some rest. Sometimes the new moons make us feel tired because it's the dark time in the moon and we're not getting a lot of light. So rest and relax and feel good and spend some time on the earth. Peace and blessings, everyone. Bye-bye.